In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily see locked chats on WhatsApp on an iPhone or on an Android. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, we need to open up WhatsApp app. After that, go to chats. I have some archived and locked chats on that WhatsApp account. However, here at the top it shows me just archived option, but it doesn't show me locked chats here. To show up locked chats, we just need to drag it down a bit and it will show us some extra options, including locked chats. And in order to see the list of all the chats that you've currently logged, we just need to tap right here. It will require to confirm your identity by Face ID or by entering passcode or PIN code, and after that you will be taken to your locked conversation where you can check them, where you can get into those conversations. And let's say if you would like to unlock some conversation, just long press on it and hit right here at unlock chat. After that, the conversation will be removed from here and then it will be moved to your main chats list. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.